Hello my friends, Stark here. Stark date 2023.09.11. Today, 9/11, is the 22nd anniversary of the sad attacks upon the United States of America back in 2001. Attacks upon both the World Trade Center in New York City and the Pentagon. If you would care to see a video concerning one of the last surviving fire trucks that saw duty upon that fateful day, then please comment below. This vehicle is in my private collection. This 2005 Chevrolet Suburban has the 6-liter engine and embarrassing wheels. But it's not here for the wheels. It's here because it's making a terrible noise from the underside of the vehicle. I'll start the vehicle and we will listen to the chatter from the underside. Based upon previous experience, I thought that the noise would be due to either loose bolts that connect the torque converter to the flex plate or a cracked flex plate. I removed the cap at the bottom of the bell housing in order to access the flex plate. Using a pry bar, it's possible to torque against the teeth of the flex plate in order to rotate the entire flex plate and torque converter assembly. Disconnect the battery. I removed the starter and the plastic shield such that I could access the torque converter bolts. All of the bolts were tight and I did not see any cracks in the flex plate. At this point, I did what I should have done in the beginning, which was to actually listen to the noise in an attempt to identify the source. A mechanic's stethoscope would be best, but I don't have that, and so my trusty long screwdriver will suffice. Poke this end around various places under the vehicle, places that one suspects might be the source of the noise, and the far end goes to the mechanic's ear. Given the size of the speaker box, I'm surprised that the owner could hear the noise from under the vehicle. All I can say is, wow, and I don't think this Suburban is used to fetch and carry much. So what's the diagnosis? The problem is that the honeycomb content of the right side catalytic converter is crumbling. Pieces of catalytic converter medium are bouncing around inside the steel case. Here are some fragments from another catalytic converter, together with a fuse for size reference. You can see the honeycomb structure. It's chunks of catalytic converter medium, such as these, that are rattling about inside the catalytic converter of the Suburban. I don't charge for diagnosis work, so if you would be kind enough to like this video, that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I'm grateful. 9/11. We remember the heroes, and we remember those that died.